hail. So the first thing we go do for this project now to create Git repository. So we could go GitHub. If you don't get account, if you just sign up, but I get account, so I just sign in. And then I'll click new. I'll select organization, which is Pigeon Tech. I'll call on my for fact. Get African fact. Make them public because now open source. Add readme and I'll create. So you don't create the repo for us and the main branch now main. So to connect them to our local environment so that we could push and they keep track of the history, I need to go this place. Click this link. If you do SSH or if you do HTTPS, so I'll just copy this one. For here, for my folder, not the inside, so I'll do git clone. And if you don't get git, if you just install them for your computer, but I get git, so I'll just use that git command. Then I'll cd fact. Now the readme we git add 9 day there. So but waiting our mode to now to add these African countries as JSON file, and we'll push them to GitHub. So I'll first create the file African countries.json, and I'll copy this one on there. Vim, if I open up for this, I just do Vim and I'll paste them here. Then alright, so we don't get new changes, which is these African countries. So I'll go do git add and git commit add African country JSON file. And now if you do git push, alright, so if I refresh here now, you'll see say the African country will add now. It don't did there, so git now .help us to keep history of our repo. So if you look now we will get the list of African countries. Alright, so now we just want to achieve for this video, but we could recap. What thing I do first, we create new repo, and I click this, copy this link here. Then I just do git clone to clone the repo. Then I add these African countries.json file. Then we do git add and we commit them with this file, with this command here, and we do git push. Now we feed on the C, so other people say feed clone, that will still get the same changes. So now just waiting on what we go achieve for this video with that.